Oh boy, we got a whole shipment in from DigiKey, so I found that the most needed values were a .01, .02, and a .05. I just got those three. .01, crap, at 6:30, of course, because I was having to butcher those together. So here they are. And now with those, we can finish recapping this radio. Oh yeah, I also changed the 7C5 Loctal here, because the old one was a bit weak. Besides that, all the tubes tested over 60%. And then here we got some 22 at 250s, and then here we have some 22 at 450s. Oh, hopefully it'll still be good. So let's see if there's any booms. That's fall. Remember, these carry hundreds and hundreds of volts.
Online at Foundation Cap.
That's your top story. It's not bad! Come on, this thing is a transformer.
Has finally been cleared. A-70 still in the backup as you make your way up to it. And then a new accident reported out on Monaco and Bellevue. We've got the backup started at that intersection there. Still really busy.
The rectifier will kick them, huh?
Spread and often infects previously vaccinated people. An update.
Oh, great! Well, we found the problem. So, you know how I could touch certain IF sections with a screwdriver and get some reception? That's because, see how every tube's lighting up? This one's lighting up, this one's lighting up, this one ain't lighting up, that one's lighting up, that one's lighting up. So this is a 7B7, and I, of course, don't have it in this whole thing. So, we'll see how much they are on eBay. That's like our first or second IF. That's killing the audio. Yeah, because look, if we... This is the 7B7 socket, right? Because if we touch this, don't do this at home. Like, you are centimeters away from 600 volts. You can hear it. So that's going in the IF, right? So I found a replacement 7B7 on eBay for like $50. I found an untested one for $25. Come on! Okay, kids, I've been told, I looked very briefly on Antique Radio Forum, they said the 7C7 tube can replace the 7B7. And it might slightly distort on strong stations, but I have a 7C7. So here's our 7B7. We ain't got no filament, it's dead. So, woo! Loctal! Trying to take out my Raytheon early rectifier there, so it's a 7C7. Okay, this thing's fine. It'll work. Oh good, you decided to work. Get in. Decided to get in.
Simpler way.
Ooh, nicotine. Gotta connect the antenna fast. Gotta hear about nicotine.
One right time to make a change. Everyone's timeline is a little different.
Yeah, are you subbing out PS2?
That's...
Those eating the almond-rich diet. Another
All right.
miracle moment on Relevant Radio.
Relevant Radio.
Relevant Radio, in no small part, had a part to play in my conversion.
Oh, it's a religious thing. Dang it.
KLVZ and KLVZ HD Brighton, KLVZ FM on 94.3 and 95.3, and streaming at
Dang, they got 3 or 4
legends953.com.
stations.